Welcome to another 60-second review. This time it's the Smooth X. Or is it Smooth 10? Smooth X! Before we begin, let me be upfront. I love ZHIYUN, and that's how you say it in Chinese. At least my American tongue says Chinese words that way. The first word, zhi, means wisdom. Win is cloud in Chinese. So there you go. I'm going to call it ZHIYUN. ZHIYUN products are absolutely wonderful. They're well made. I have a lot of them. I've given a lot away. I have the Crane 2. I have the Q2. I've got the Weeble Lab sitting on top of a Scotty Makes Stuff stabilizer, 4th axis here. But this is my absolute favorite gimbal for mirrorless cameras. Hell, I even have the ZHIYUN monopod. That said, ZHIYUN might not like this 60-second review. And full disclosure, ZHIYUN did send me this Smooth X. However, I'm under no obligation, legal or otherwise, to them because I am beholden only to you, the viewer. And that's why my honesty has really slowed down my product intake from companies. I hope that's not the case here because this is a great product, but I will tell you why I don't like it. Let's start that clock. All right, it comes in a wonderful case. Pull these things out and use them as you want. Very convenient. Unfolding it is a little disconcerting because at first you feel like you might be breaking it. But no, you just twist it around and pull it out and there you go. The Smooth X does not come with a LCD screen, but that's what is able to keep the price at around $59. The tripod is great. Put it right in here to the 1/4-20 screw. And then stand it up anywhere you want. Closing the tripod will give you a little bit more leverage. You can tilt it, you can extend it. When the selfie stick part is extended, it has record buttons and a joystick on here where you can direct it and stop recording wirelessly. It is a 2-axis gimbal, and that's just one of the things I hate about this. The main reason I hate this is because I can't use it. It appears to be broken. In fact, I emailed my friend at ZHIYUN and said, I got a damaged unit. It won't turn on because when I turned it on, as I will do right here, it powers up. Nothing. You can't use it. Here's what he said. Hey Ken, you will need to activate the product via an app called ZHIYUN before first use. Huh? That's crazy. In fact, that's what I told him. What's the reasoning behind this? Why do you require activation via an app? That's the craziest thing I ever heard of. Frank's reply, it's out of after-sale maintenance reasons. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. Here's something that ZHIYUN doesn't realize, and maybe I can help them out. There's a lot of Americans that in this current political climate, for one reason or another, just don't trust Chinese companies. And that's a shame because they make a fantastic product, but you shouldn't have to activate it before you can use it. I've never run into this before. In fact, the app that he was talking about is a new app that's different from all the other apps that you use with ZHIYUN products, and you have to re-register. If you've already registered with your other ZHIYUN products, you have to re-register with this. That's where ZHIYUN dropped the ball, in my opinion. A lot of Americans won't even buy this, give it a second look, because now that they know you have to check in with the mothership to use it, well, that's just not an option for a lot of people. So I love it. I'm sure it works great. I'll never know. I love you, ZHIYUN, but come on. Come on. Anyway, there you go. My review of the last ZHIYUN product I'll ever get. Oh, what have I done? Have I mentioned they make a great monopod? Thank you, ZHIYUN. ZHIYUN. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time, buh and bye. I'll be here all day. Welcome to another 60-second review. This time it's the... Welcome to another 60-second review. This time it's the... This time it's the... This time it's the... This time it's the... It's the... This time it's the... Ah, damn, I got it. Ah, I forgot to say what it was. Ah! Welcome to another 60-second review. This time it's the... Oh, no, it'll never happen again. This time it's the... Welcome to another 60-second review. This time it's the Smooth X. Or is it Smooth 10? Smooth X! Yay!